Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin.
Close your eyes. Take a long, deep breath in and let go. With some of you now, you're already vibrating at that energy that the minute you put your hands on the heart and the minute you close your eyes, you just quickly expand yourself, and it is so beautiful to perceive it. And also, I would like to acknowledge that the energy of this group now is so different from where it was when we started. There is for sure a lot more joy. Some of you may still have issues in your life that you're dealing with, yet there is this confidence in you that you can deal with it. It is not bigger than you anymore, and you're not alone. It will be done, which is amazing and magical and totally brilliant. Now just allow yourself, connect yourself with the energy of the universe. Connect yourself with the energy of the Mother Earth. Pull the energy from the earth, pull the energy from the universe, from every molecule of the universe. Expand your awareness. And now let's invoke Archangel Metatron in your space. And just allow yourself to perceive the vibration, the energy of Archangel Metatron. What do you sense? What do you perceive? The vibration of Archangel Metatron. What is it for you? And it may be different than what is it for me, yet whatever it is, the way the Archangel Metatron is showing for you, just acknowledge that. Thank you, Archangel Metatron, for showing up. And Archangel Metatron is telling me that many of you are ready to be the contribution you are born to be to the planet. And when you will start being the contribution in whichever way, and it does not have to be something big or huge according to your judgment, it can be something as simple as giving food to someone, or taking care of animals, or just taking care of your family or your business. Because it may look like a very materialistic thing for you, yet if you do it from the vibration and intention of service, you are contributing. Because when you make anyone, including yourself and anyone, happy, you are contributing to the planet, to the universe. So never judge yourself, never underestimate yourself, and never think that you're not doing anything. You are. You may be actually doing and creating miracles every day that you're not acknowledging. Yet, since many lifetimes, many of you have been depleting yourself to give to others, have been cutting away your powers to make other people comfortable and not get intimidated. And that is what you got to change now. You got to commit to service to those who are willing and ready to receive. You got to commit to service to those who can receive with grace. Because when you try to force yourself to give to those who are not ready to receive, you not only abuse you, you demean you give up your powers, and you don't even feel fulfilled in the process. So instead, today, ask the universe and the angel Metatron to open up your path, to open up your ways for those people to come to you who can receive with grace and can be equally a contribution in your life. When you have people in your life who can receive the gift you are with grace, it fulfills you. It makes you feel so happy. It fills you up as well with abundance and prosperity, because when you are vibrating at the frequency of joy, you open up the doors of angelic divine realms and you allow the abundance and prosperity and lot of wonderful stuff to flow to you. So Archangel Metatron really wants you to today take up a commitment to be in allowance of those who are not willing to be happy, to be in allowance of those who are not willing to receive what you have to gift, and rather look for those who are ready to receive and gift to them. And don't judge what you are gifting as big or small. It can be a small piece of art that you make, but it is not small if gifted to the right receiver. It can be anything, maybe the food you cook, or the writing, whatever it is that gives you joy, whatever it is that when you do it, you forget about the time. You forget about where you are. You don't even have to have food, because that is so fulfilling. I ask Archangel Metatron to open up the channels. I ask Archangel Metatron to open up the channels of the universe that downloads more pathways of your talents, capacities, and capabilities to come to you. In this life or any other lifetime, even your future lifetimes, in this reality or any other reality or dimensions, all the talents, capacities, and potencies that you have ever had, let all of them to flow to you Allow the white light of the universe to flow to you through multiple channels that brings to you the pure divine energy of your own talents and capacities beyond time and space. Just allow yourself to receive it all. Do not go into your head and worry about or wonder about what is it, how will it look like, is it big or small, will I be able to do it? That is not at all significant here. Please always remember, universe will never give you anything that you cannot handle. Be it the thing that you consider as a problem or the possibility and the potency. As you have the Archangel Metatron with you now, Archangel Metatron will also give you ease and clarity with your powers and potencies. Dear Archangel Metatron, allow us to receive our powers and potencies and have ease and clarity with all of them. And also allow us and gift us the wisdom to put all of that in practice at the speed of space and generate and receive money for it. And generate and receive the joy and grace and now surrender all the points of view that you were implanted or you bought in this life or any other lifetime from anyone, that money and grace does not go together. That you can, if you are spiritual, if you're doing something that contributes to people, if you are doing something that is divine, then you should not receive money. It's a lie. The thing is, then you don't have to worry about money because it just flows to you if you are ready to receive. But for many, many lifetimes, there were people who just somehow injected this lie into many spiritual people that if you are being spiritual, you should not have money. Allow yourself to release all of that. Surrender, surrender, surrender it all. When you choose the path of contribution, when you choose the path to connect with your angels, your divine beings of light, your spirit guides, and you choose the path of contribution, they reward you in so many ways. Universe rewards you in so many ways. Please let go of your points of view of resisting those wonderful rewards that create the points of view that are creating judgment, and allow yourself to receive the gifts that comes to you. Allow yourself to receive the esoteric wisdom and knowledge of the mysteries of the universe. Allow yourself to receive the download of wisdom. Allow yourself to be the kind of person on the planet who just know many things without even cognitively learning it. Receive the intelligence. the power. It's okay for you to be powerful. It's time for you to be powerful. As your power is backed by the universal powers, by the powers of your spirit guides. And it is time where the planet requires so many of you to stand up and spread the magic and spread the joy and be rewarded in the process. You are a winner, a born winner, and it's time for you to play the game of your life fully and create many, many, many more wins and victories for yourself and others who are ready to receive. Oh, thank you, Archangel Metatron, for this wonderful download. Thanks to angels and the spirit guides that are contributing to you. Thanks to the universe, thanks to the Mother Earth, and thank yourself for choosing to be greater than the mediocre, normal people. And when I'm saying normal people, I'm not mean them less. Everybody is where they are supposed to be, where they are choosing to be, and where they are meant to be. Nothing big or small or wrong or right about it yet. When you stand up and choose to be greater, it just contributes to the universe and the Mother Earth in so many ways. And they are all grateful to you for choosing it. I wonder how many more miracles we are all going to create collectively. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Get present to your physical body right from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. Integrate with your physical body totally and completely. If there is any intensity, any stiffness, just allow itself to process. Maybe a lot of energy processing through your body, through the cells of your body. And rub your palms, put them on your eyes. Whenever you feel comfortable, you can open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation. Journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax. And just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.